Ancient Lake Bonneville once covered this area, including the flanks of the promontory range. The waves washing against the ancient shore eroded fault-fractured rocks, creating the arch in the 300 million year old, whatever that word is, formation. And that is the Chinese Arch. Pretty cool. Okay, now we are headed to Bear River Migratory Bird Refuge. Should be pretty fun. We stopped here at the parking area in this bird refuge. There's just birds everywhere. You look, flying up. Sure, a lot of them don't pick up on the camera, but you probably hear them. Beautiful backdrop of the mountains in the distance. And there's lots of flies. So many flies here, it's not even funny. They're crazy. Nice beautiful bird there. We've seen them before. Not sure if you could see it, but we have those back east too. Actually, when we went to the Adirondacks, we were in another bird refuge and they had those birds. Nevertheless, this is definitely a place that is well worth the stop. We've seen we have a list of all the different types of birds that are here, but there is a lot of different birds here. Yeah, look at Jack, he's afraid. Who do you see down there, Jack? Jack, come. Jack. I assume all these birds, I bet you they're eating brine flies, because, I mean, they're in swarms just like those birds. Pretty interesting too, there's like not a soul out here. Trying not to venture outside. There's so many bugs. camera probably doesn't pick up that swarm. They're swarming all over. Oh, we already did get bit a couple times trying to get some pictures. There's an incredible amount of wildlife here. So many different types of birds and everything. I only hope I could be able to get some of them in the from pictures and whatnot into the video. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. That's gonna take some working. Alright guys, we're about wrapping it up here in this wildlife refuge. We probably spotted 30, 40 different types of birds here. There's so many. I only hope we will be able to incorporate them in the video somehow. I've been having a hard time getting footage or pictures or anything like that off my iPhone or my wife's Canon camera into the video. Again, I'm still trying to work on that. Hopefully I can get that worked out. It would definitely make the videos a lot better, but we're headed back to the RV campground. We're gonna get something to eat and enjoy the rest of the night peacefully. So with that, this will be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
See ya.